I enjoy cooking in my free time. I enjoy cooking in my free time. Repeat again. I enjoy cooking in my free time.
Enjoy the journey. Let's begin.
Sentence 1. We're going to the supermarket today. We're going to the supermarket today. Repeat again. We're going to the supermarket today. Sentence 2. We need a shopping basket. We need a shopping basket. Repeat again. We need a shopping basket. Sentence 3. We're looking for fresh fruits. We're looking for fresh fruits. Repeat again. We're looking for fresh fruits. Fantastic. Sentence 4. We need some vegetables. We need some vegetables. Repeat again. We need some vegetables. Beautiful. Sentence 5. We choose fresh breads. We choose fresh breads. Repeat again. We choose fresh breads. Sentence 6. We buy a bottle of milk. We buy a bottle of milk. Repeat again. We buy a bottle of milk. Sentence 7. We need some eggs. We need some eggs. Repeat again. We need some eggs. Wonderful. Sentence 8. We compare the prices carefully. We compare the prices carefully. Repeat again. We compare the prices carefully. Sentence 9. We read the labels before buying. We read the labels before buying. Repeat again. We read the labels before buying. Great work! Sentence 10. We put everything into our basket. We put everything into our basket. Repeat again. We put everything into our basket.
Excellent. We've completed the first 10 sentences. Take a slow breath. Stretch your shoulders. Smile. You're doing an amazing job. Let's continue.
Sentence 11. We're looking for the checkout counter. We're looking for the checkout counter. Repeat again. We're looking for the checkout counter. Sentence 12. We wait patiently in line. We wait patiently in line. Repeat again. We wait patiently in line. Sentence 13. We pay with our cash. We pay with our cash. Repeat again. We pay with our cash. Sentence 14. We remember to bring our shopping bags. We remember to bring our shopping bags. Repeat again. We remember to bring our shopping bags. Beautiful. Sentence 15. We thank the cashier politely. We thank the cashier politely. Repeat again. We thank the cashier politely. Amazing. Sentence 16. We carry our groceries home. We carry our groceries home. Repeat again. We carry our groceries home. Excellent. Sentence 17. We enjoy cooking with fresh ingredients. We enjoy cooking with fresh ingredients. Repeat again. We enjoy cooking with fresh ingredients. Sentence 18. We become more confident every time we practice. We become more confident every time we practice. Repeat again. We become more confident every time we practice. Fantastic. Sentence 19. We're ready to use English every day. We're ready to use English every day. Repeat again. We're ready to use English every day. Sentence 20. We're building a brighter future together. We're building a brighter future together. Repeat again. We are building a brighter future together.
Outstanding work. You're not just learning English. You're learning to live in English. Think about how many of today's sentences you could use this week.
Here's today's English tour challenge. The next time you go shopping, try saying at least 5 of today's sentences in your mind or out loud if you're practicing at home. For example, we are looking for fresh fruit. We compare the prices carefully. We pay with cash or a card. Connecting English to real experiences is one of the fastest ways to build fluency.
Thank you for joining us for English Tour Shadowing Challenge. We will see you tomorrow.
Bye for now.